Hey guys, it's almost time for us to hit the trails again. And I've added something new this year I want to show you. As you can see, I've got my Rotopax cans already mounted. This is the new piece of gear. This is the TeraFlex Wasatch Rack. I'm going to try this out, see if I can organize the back of my Jeep a little better while we're on the trails. As you can see, I've got my shovel mounted in there. Everything's rattle free. It's super solid. I love the way things are feeling. Down below, on the right side, I mounted my 2-gallon Rotopax water can. That's mounted up to my Springtail Solutions side racks. And on the other side, you can see my ARB Twin. That's mounted on the WD Auto grab bars mount. Anyways, very much looking forward to getting this on the trail. So far it's been rattle free. It's super solid. I look forward to loading this up tomorrow and heading west. Talk to you soon. All right, so it's just a few minutes after sunrise. We're all loaded, ready to head west. Let me show you real quick what this looks like. Here's the new setup. Love how organized everything looks. We got everything in the Jeep. High lift. Ruby's ready to hit the road. Let's start this trek.